everybody, I'm Lakshmi. I work as a data science mentor at DataMites. In the last video, we got to know how to draw a pie chart, tree graph, bar plot, stacked bar plot, line graph, and concluded the session with drawing a area graph. This is the line graph where it is taking the attribute order date versus the profit it is making. But the same graph, if you want to analyze for what date, what is the sales it is making with respect to different regions or different categories, that can also be done. How? Just simply go to this category, drag and drop that to color. See, we got three different lines with respect to three different categories we have. For all these three different categories, it is giving us the profit or the sales. What did I do? I just added the category to the color. Same thing for a line. I'm just selecting the order date versus the profit it is making with respect to the various category. For the different category, in the different years, what is the profit? Just go and click the, or just have this. It's all area covered. Three different lines we have got. That's a specialty of area. Area below the line will be covered with a solid color. Now, today we will be studying how to draw a dual chart. How to draw a dual chart. What do you mean by dual chart? It's a combination of a line and a column chart. So for which we will select order date, and coming over here we will select profit and sales. Okay, see the dual chart appeared. Can all see this dual combination? Yeah, it's a bar graph along with the line. In this, we will see how to draw a scatter plot. To draw a scatter plot, for which I'm selecting sales, profit, and subcategory. Okay, it's giving us the subplot. It's giving us the scatter plot. It's giving you the bubble, right? It's all over spreaded here, these data or spreaded here. But what if you want these bubbles with respect to the profit it makes? For the larger profit, larger size of bubble. For smaller profit, a smaller size of bubble. How to do that? Just come over here, drag and drop the subcategory to size. See, bubble shape got changed, right? For higher, this is the higher profit it is making. That is how you need to interpret the scatter plot. Next, we will see how to draw a bubble chart. We will selecting subcategory versus sales. So if we do that, see, this is where your packed bubbles are there, right? Just click on this. You will get a beautiful bubble chart. If you just want the sales, just drag and drop the sales to label. If you do that, along with the labels, you will be getting it. That is how you are drawing the bubble chart. The next graph, what we will be studying is with respect to the maps. Right, we have maps, right? That maps can also be interpreted here. But in order to draw a map, you need to have a data which is something giving you the information about the geographic. Let's like a country, state, city, something like this. Okay, that kind of a column should be there in your data set. So what I'll be selecting here is, I'll be selecting state. I'll be selecting state-wise profit. State-wise profit. So come over here, you have two maps, select one map. Okay, already it is default, it is selected. Why? Because already we are selecting a geographical kind of data, right? What if you want sales with respect to the color? See different bubbles, it's making beautiful profits. What if you want a color change? If you want a color change, just add the state. Where is your state? Yeah, state to color. Color will also get changed. That is how we are going to draw a map. Next is we will just get to know how to have a tables. How to create a tables. What do you mean by a table here is it will be holding the information in the form of a rows and columns. How to do that? Select whatever the column you want to select to, subcategory wise profit and sales. Let's say if I want to do that, simply it's your table. It's your table. In the form of rows and columns, we are having it. It's in the form of a table. Table is nothing but storing the information in the form of rows and columns. This total is not showing, right? What if you want the total profit, total sales? It's not showing, right? Just go over here, click on analysis, then click on totals and click on show column grand totals. See, the total appeared. This is how we will be drawing a table. Next, we will see how to get a cards. What do you mean by cards here is, it is something called as KPIs, key information providers. What is this? If you just want to get to know the single value, what is the total sales, total profit? This is one key information which is providing, right? That is called as cards. How to do that is simply I just want to get to know this total profit. Just go over and just drop it on this. See, you will be getting cards. What is the two information? This is the total number of profit it is making. This is the number of profit it is making. What if you want multiple cards like this? You want profit also, sales also, and quantity, whatever it may be. How to do that? Simply select profit, sales, and quantity. Okay, come to tables. You have to come to tables first. You have to come to tables first. Click on tables first. Then if you all see this icon, just click on that icon. This is your card. Okay. What did we do now? It was something like this. We had three, quantity and sales. Just click on to this. Now it is a card. Okay. Just click on to this. Yeah. Now you got a card. Just click on this. Just click on that. You will be getting a card like this. This is how you create a card. Now we will conclude today's topic with something called as filters. Filters are very important. Okay, what if you want to filter the information? Let's say you just have to get to know the top 5 sales, the bottom 5 products which are making least sales, or top 5 products which is making highest sales, highest profit. You need to filter out the information. Filtering out the information is very important. Okay, this is like the last kind of visuals we will be drawing. It is called as filters. How to do that? Let's say I'm calculating subcategory versus sales, and you need to get the vertical bar. Okay, it's an horizontal thing. If you want vertical, no, just change this subcategory to columns. It's same subcategory to columns, sales to rows. See, you got a interchanged one. Earlier it was like horizontal, no, just interchange it. So we have here all of it, right? All the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, 16 products are there respective to this. What if I want to get to know top 5 products? I need to filter it out. How do I do that? You need to drag and drop your subcategory to something called as filters. Drag and drop subcategory to filters. Then you need to click on top. Then you need to click on top. By after clicking on top, click on by field. Top 10. I don't want top 10. Let's say I just want top 5. Top 5. Click on OK. See, filter got you got a filter. Yeah. This concludes this video, where in this video we got to know how to plot a dual chart, scatter plot, bubble chart, maps, tables, cards, and filters. This completes all the basic visuals. In the coming video, I'll be telling you how to create a dashboard. Thank you all. Happy learning.